If you're someone who has money invested right now in the financial markets, but you're not quite sure if your portfolio is actually constructed and positioned correctly for the current macro environment we're actually in, then keep watching. Because I'm going to show you the macro mechanic framework that I personally use to make sure that I construct a portfolio which is exactly right for the current macro environment. So why is this important? Because you can own great assets, right? But they may be poorly positioned for the environment you're actually investing into. So here's an example. You may own an ETF that's in the semiconductor industry. Maybe you buy Nvidia. Maybe you have some technology stocks or the technology sector in your investment portfolio. Fantastic for economic growth. But if the economy tips into a recession, or if there is another energy shock, or if we have central banks raising interest rates aggressively, these sectors and these stocks will get killed in the market. Great businesses, but only right for specific macro environments. And that's why learning macro mechanics means you learn how to analyze the macro economy using specific economic data to identify the economy first before you start looking at the investments you want to consider in your portfolio. And macro mechanics will educate you on the specific sectors, asset classes that you want to consider in your portfolio depending on where we are in the economy now, so you know your portfolio is aligned. And that's why if you was to learn how to use the brand new macro markets platform, it would analyze the macro economy in real live time, tell you the economic environment you're investing into, and then build you illustrative portfolios and show you the asset classes that perform best in the current macro environment, so you know you're making the smart, informed decision with your investments. So if you would like an invitation to the weekly webinars we do showing you how to construct your portfolios using this AI powered platform, click the link in the bio and we'll show you where to get signed up.